Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken camera on Roblox Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your camera on Roblox is broken and if you're currently playing a game on Roblox, try switching between the games. Some games are affected by this bug more than others, so simply change the game and see if that fixes the issue for you. After switching between a game, see if that fixes the issue, and if it still doesn't work, then simply go to the top left hand corner and tap on the Roblox icon. From the options, select settings, and from the settings menu, find the movement mode and select classic thumbstick. Soon after you make this change, you can now close off the screen and you might be able to fix your issue. If that still doesn't work, then the last thing to do is to go open up your app store and in the app store search for Roblox. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to Roblox app, tap on the update button and download the latest version of Roblox. After having the latest version of Roblox application, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply go ahead and open up your Roblox mobile app and see if that fixes your camera issue. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.